Guys, look, it is loaded. Look at how much, this is so much. Wow. Look at this. We got the daikon, peppers, and the cucumber, the sliced pork, jalo. Barbecue pork there, and looks, it is loaded, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna take a bite now. Bread is so crispy. Wow. It's buttery. It's so flavorful. The pate is really good too. Got the carrot, the ham, pork ham, jalo, and the carrots and daikon. It's so flavorful. Looks like they have their own signature house sauce because it tastes a little different. It tastes really fresh. This is their second location. The other one has like a drive-through. Look at that. Wow. This bread is so flaky, so buttery, and it's just so flavorful. Take this bite, a little bit of everything. So good. Next one is the crispy pork belly. Wow. Big. Look how big it is. It's like huge. Look at that. Look at their cucumber. Let's look inside here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at how big the pork belly is. I'll try one. So crispy. This is so good. This pork belly I recommend. It's so good. It's so crispy golden one. Look at all that meat. They hook it up. Look at it's loaded. Look at that sauce. Wow. Cucumber, the daikon. Look at that pieces. Pate. Look at all that pate right there. This would be perfect for the beach, Huntington Beach.